Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to install latest Windows 11 on VirtualBox. So simply open any browser and you need to have the ISO file of Windows 11. Simply go ahead and type Windows 11 ISO download. Go to official link and simply go for the options, create Windows installation media. Not choose this option, download Windows 11 disk image. We require this one. Select your multi-edition here, click on confirm and simply choose the product language as United States most of the time, then confirm it and simply 64-bit should be available on your system. So this will take some time. So since I have already downloaded the 25S2 ISO file latest version on my system, so I'm going to pause this. Next top software you need to have is Rufus, not Rufus, VirtualBox download. Simply go to VirtualBox download, open the first link and simply click on the Windows host here. And once you click on Windows host, also download this VirtualBox extension pack. Once both are downloaded on your system, then we can have a C++ redistributable package. This will be needed to install the latest. Choose 64-bit. Basically we need to have four software. First one is redistributable packages, second one is VirtualBox extension, next one is VirtualBox, and fourth one is virtual Windows 11 ISO. Once all the software are installed on our system, just close this and run all the software one by one. Okay, how you can run it? Basically, first of all, run this VirtualBox, double click on it and hit yes option when the prompt opens. Okay, and click on next, and it is saying to repair the previous version of, since I have already downloaded that, and if it says to install the C++, then install this pack and we will install this VirtualBox extension later on. And ISO file I have already downloaded this, you can see here. So once all the software are installed, just launch a virtual machine here. This is the VirtualBox. You can see, you can search here VirtualBox, open it, and once you see this, you will see the new here. Just click on new and name it Windows 11. And this is a VM location. It should be at least 3 GB free on your system. So simply I'm going to choose another here. I want to keep my Windows 11 into my this drive. I'm naming it Win 11 VM and select it. It is selected. ISO file, also go to other and look for the ISO file on your system. I am choosing this latest one, then click on open, and now everything is good now. Okay, we can untick this option, proceed with unattended setup. We're going to do it manually, so click on specify the hardware here. First option you will see this one, setup unattended. We have already untick, specify virtual hardware. 4 GB is minimum requirement for Windows 11, as you know that, and core the more you can give it to. I'm giving it to 6 core and at least 6 GB of memory. It should not be more than this orange icon. You can keep it as less than this orange button, then click on virtual, and drive size you can give minimum at least 50 GB. I'm giving it as 80 GB. So click on finish here and right click on it and go to its settings here and look for the display option. Drag it to the max here and then look for network. Attach network to choose it as bridge adapter. Okay, and then we can go ahead. Share network, that is up to you how you can set it up. Okay, we can set it up later as well, this option. So we're good to go. Just simply launch the virtual machine of Windows 11 now. It is powering up the VM here. So let's wait here until it's launch. It's launching now. Now you can press any key. I'm pressing any key on my system. Now you can select here the next option here, US keyboard, and agree terms and condition, then next. As of now I can choose this option. Make sure you watch this video till end, don't skip any step in this video. Now you can choose your edition. I like personally Pro edition on my system, so that is the reason I'm choosing that. Then next, accept it. Now 80 GB is showing up here. Then we can go with this option, then click on next here and just click on next. And this is going to take some time. It's very easy. The process will be the similar to the normal installation. Okay, so we have successfully installed the VM Windows 11 using the VirtualBox, and I have already shown you how you can add the extension if you are facing any kind of issues related to display. Even you can switch it from here and then click on this option, full screen mode, switch it, and now you should be able to get the full screen of the virtual machine. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.